Hey everyone, and welcome back to Marcus Language Academy. Today we will tackle some of the most common mistakes that English speakers make when learning Spanish. And these tips will help you avoid these pitfalls and improve your Spanish even faster. So let's go. Let's start with a big one. Ser and estar. In English, we have only one translation for the two verbs, and that's to be. But ser is used for permanent states like identity or origin, while estar is used for temporary states like emotions or locations. So, for example, you would say, soy alemán, I am German, because it's a permanent characteristic. But you would say, estoy cansado. I am tired, because it's a temporary state. Mixing these up can lead to some confusing or funny situations. So please be careful. Next up, por and para. These two prepositions can both translate to for in English, but they have different uses in Spanish. Por is often used to express cause or reason, while para is used to express purpose or destination. For instance, you would say, gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks for your help, because you are expressing gratitude for a cause. But you would say, este regalo es para ti. This gift is for you, because you're indicating the recipient. Learning when to use each one will make your Spanish sound even more natural. Okay, another common mistake is the unnecessary use of personal pronouns in Spanish. In Spanish, the verb conjugation tells you who the subject is, which means you can often leave out the personal pronoun. For example, instead of saying yo hablo español, I speak Spanish, you can say just hablo español. And instead of tú eres estudiante, you are a student, just say eres estudiante. Leaving out the personal pronouns make your Spanish sound more natural and fluid. Of course, there are situations where you might use the pronoun for emphasis, but in generally, it's best not to overuse them. Okay, finally, let's talk about pronunciation, especially the Spanish R and RR sounds. These can be tough for English speakers, even for me, but they are important for clear communication. The single R in words like pero, but, no, is a soft sound. It's a little bit softer. While the double R in perro, no, dog, is a trilled sound, sorry. Because rolling the R's by placing your tongue near of the roof of your mouth and vibrating it. So it takes a little bit practice, but in the end you will get it, I promise you. Yeah. And there you have it, some of the most common mistakes English speakers make when learning Spanish. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. And maybe you can also write me in the comments which common mistakes are for you the case when you're learning Spanish. And if you want to dive even deeper into learning Spanish, please feel free and check out my playlist of my free Spanish course for beginners on YouTube. And also for more stuff, you can check out my website on Marcus Language Academy. All the links you will find over here or in the description below this video. So thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you soon.